in the 2020 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, wheel locks, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, rear window defroster, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.